Hello everyone, welcome back to Career Q. I'm back with some really interesting video this time, and I am starting this new series out of which I have actually covered a bit of it previously. It was not actually, I had not decided them to be placed in a series, but now this new thing has come up and I'm really excited to share with you what this is. In this series, I will be covering all the different job profiles that you can apply for if you want to go into the non-coding domain. And I know that a lot of you want to go to the non-coding domain because a lot of you are just like me, not a product of CS or IT. So if you are someone who does not want to pursue a career, who wants to pursue a career in the software field but not really do the coding bit of it, then I have started this series where I will be covering in detail the different professions that you can go for, and you can build a really nice career out of it without having to do the coding bit. So yeah, in today's video, since this is the first video of this series, and I'll just be listing down the names of or the designations that are there in which you do not actually require any coding, or maybe very less negligible amount of coding. And I will bring several videos wherein I will be discussing in detail about that particular job profile. I'll be discussing how you can grow in that, what are the skills that you might need, and you can decide on your own which is the best suited for you. I hope that this series will be helping you. The series is called Coding No Coding. So this is the first video of the series, and here I'll just be telling you the job profiles. So the first thing is that of a UX designer. Now, what is a UX designer? Is user experience designer. As I have said, I will be discussing this in detail in my upcoming video. In this video, just know the name UX designer. The next job role or the next job profile will be that of a business analyst. As a business analyst also, you need not do a lot of coding. There might be some here and there required, but you can manage that. I have brought a video wherein I've compared the job profile of a data analyst and a business analyst. You can go in and check that video. I'll put the link in the description box and somewhere on the I button here, and you can get a glimpse of what business analyst does and what he or she requires to know. And I'll definitely bring another video in which I'll be extensively covering this topic of a business analyst. But just to give you a first trailer, teaser, whatever you call it, you can go and watch that video. You'll definitely get a real good hint of what this job profile is all about. The third is to become a software tester. If you become a manual tester, then the requirement for coding decreases like this. So you don't need to actually know coding that much, and I have covered a complete video. I have already made a complete video discussing what software testing is, and what manual testing is. Is manual testing, does it have a future? What does the future look like? And those things in a video. I will again put the link down in the description box, and I'll place it in the I button here. Do go and watch if you want to know more about software testing on a whole. But you can definitely think of becoming a manual software tester if you want yourselves, or you don't want your hands to get dirty with the coding bit. The next is the admin roles. Now there are, if there are servers, there'll be administrators. So the admin roles, you can go for separate technologies like Salesforce admin, or you can become cloud admin. You can become a general admin. You can go in for any admin role, and you might not need to do as much coding as is required for other roles. Another thing being, now these days the marketing tech roles have taken a real good place. We all know that the boom of internet has taken place. You have to put a foot everywhere, be it LinkedIn, Quora, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, anywhere and everywhere. You have to take a foot, and you have to be there, and you have to be active so that people know what is going inside the organization. So if you are someone who doesn't want to go in for the coding roles, and you are someone who knows marketing, who knows how to market things, then you can definitely try to become a marketing tech representative, or you can go for the marketing tech roles that are there in an organization. and that will be your ticket to a non-coding job in software. And then there are some management roles such as the product manager. As a product manager also, you need not do a lot of coding. You might be asked to know for some things, but you are not someone who will be needing to sit and actually do the thing on your own. So yes, you can think of becoming a product manager. You can also become a project manager, and you can just overview the entire project that is being run, or you can become a product owner in an organization. Now, product owners are also known as scrum masters in the IT world. So yeah, you can definitely aim to become a product owner or a scrum master. Actually, these profiles require you to know some of the tools, but not really the technologies, and not really deep dive and write the code on your own. So these are some non-coding jobs. Don't worry, I know that I have not explained each of these jobs, because I have intended to create a complete series covering all these roles. I'll be discussing every role in detail except for the one or two that has already been discussed. So yeah, that's all that I have for you in today's video. If you like today's session, put a thumbs up. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe. I'll come again with another new video. Till then, stay tuned to Career Q. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.